Interesting. There is an Etsy store raking in more than 15 grand monthly. What's astonishing is that they embarked on this journey merely 9 months ago, and it's a straightforward and passive venture. In this clip, I'll delve into the steps to launch a similar store. And guess what? You don't require any prior expertise, training, or a hefty investment to kick off. I'll guide you through every phase, from designing the artwork to the essential tools. By the video's conclusion, you'll possess all the knowledge to initiate this enterprise. Let's dive in. The store in focus goes by the name Shades of Drops. Their niche? Digital backdrops. These are essentially the canvases photographers utilize to superimpose their subjects. In earlier times, photographers aiming for a specific shot had to go the extra mile. This meant purchasing props like angel wings or scouting unique locations. And if you did locate such a spot, there were logistics like transportation and hauling equipment. However, with today's AI advancements, achieving that desired effect is a breeze using digital backdrops. A photographer can snap a subject in a cozy studio setting and, with basic editing prowess, merge the shot into a digital backdrop. This innovative approach is the secret behind the store's impressive monthly earnings of over 30 grand. The prime advantage of this venture is that you're dealing in digital goods. This implies you can commence crafting immediately at negligible or no expense. Leveraging AI to produce these visuals, you can design and put them up for sale in a matter of hours. A significant chunk of your earnings is sheer profit. Based on my personal experience with Etsy, you can anticipate profit margins soaring above 93%, which is truly remarkable. Observing this store, you'll see they price their backdrops between $15 and $18. Stay tuned till the video's conclusion and I'll unveil a nifty strategy that can amplify your average sale by approximately $40 to $50. And yes, customers are willing to shell out that amount. I'll delve deeper into this shortly. When you juxtapose this with other digital commodities like e-planners or teas, you'll discern that this domain remains relatively untapped. This translates to minimal rivalry, making it an opportune moment to dive in. Let's transition to the crafting phase. Our tool of choice is Midjourney. For the uninitiated, Midjourney is a tool that morphs text into visuals and operates via Discord. The initial step is straightforward. Register on both Midjourney and Discord at no charge. Navigate to Midjourney and opt for the Join the Beta. Follow through with the invitation. Concurrently, ensure you have a Discord profile. Once all is in place, integrate Midjourney into your exclusive server to maintain privacy from external visuals. Simply hit the plus icon to establish your server. Subsequently, on Midjourney, select any entry-level chat rooms. Engage with the Midjourney bot and incorporate it into your server. With these steps completed, you're all set to feed your prompts to Midjourney. Alright, let's dive in. I previously crafted this prompt. Ultra-realistic, oversized white angel wings adorned with genuine feathers set against a digital backdrop of an ancient palace, illuminated with modern cinematic lighting. For the Midjourney version 5, I'll specify ultra-wide shot and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Through some exploration, I've discerned a specific format that optimizes the image output from your prompt. Begin with the primary subject, which here refers to the white angel wings. I've observed that integrating the term ultra-realistic tends to enhance the feather detail, rendering the wings exceptionally lifelike. Subsequently, details the setting, which in this scenario is an age-old palace. I have a penchant for appending cinematic lighting to the style descriptor, as it invariably elevates the lighting quality. Those familiar with Midjourney might know it's currently on its 5th version, so appending V5 at the conclusion is apt. The 16:9 aspect ratio is my go-to for backdrops, offering ample visual space to manipulate. Additionally, there is another keyword I often incorporate into my prompts, which elevates the quality of the resultant artwork. The secret sauce? Adding the name of an artist. Indeed, by integrating an artist's name, the artwork mirrors the style and caliber of pieces produced by that particular artist. I'm about to introduce you to a phenomenal repository where you can sift through the works of countless artists and cherry-pick the style that resonates with you. However, a heads up, the file is dense, so it might lag a bit upon opening, which is why you might spot sporadic blank cells. Just be patient and soon enough, all the visuals will populate. A quick side note, I didn't curate this compilation. Kudos to its creator. Randolin 4785. This individual has graciously made this resource available for public use. I'll ensure the file link is accessible in the description for your convenience. But for our current endeavor, let's sidestep the artist name and gauge the output Midjourney delivers. Time to generate our visual. Wow, this is truly breathtaking. If this rendition meets your expectations, you have the option to enhance its resolution and save it. However, suppose you're inclined towards a nuanced variation. In that case, you can either tap Regenerate to refresh the entire set, or if a particular image catches your eye, but you desire a tweak, simply hit the V at the base. For instance, for a fresh take on the first image, select V1. And for those unfamiliar, Midjourney's 5th version boasts superior clarity. Hence, when you prompt an image, the quartet of visuals presented are already in their enhanced form. So, if image 1 is your pick, click on New One and voila! The image materializes instantly, given its pre-upscaled state. You can then view it in its full glory in your browser and utilize the high-resolution image. I received feedback from several individuals mentioning that some of the generated images appear fuzzy, even post-upscaling. If you encounter an image that doesn't meet your desired clarity, there's a simple solution. Utilize a complementary AI upscaling tool like Upscale Media. Simply upload your image, choose the 4x upscale option, and within moments, you'll have a refined, clearer image ready for download. Remember, when catering to photographers with digital backdrops, they won't tolerate grainy or unclear visuals. It's imperative that your images are of pristine quality, ensuring ease of editing and integration. Overlooking this aspect can be detrimental. Having equipped you with the know-how to craft backdrops, let's shift our focus to generating listing visuals that depict individuals against these backdrops. A cursory glance reveals that such backdrops are predominantly employed for occasions like maternity or bridal photo shoots. You might be pondering, where can I source images of individuals to showcase on my listings? The answer lies in Midjourney once again. This versatile tool not only can fabricate the backdrop, but also conjures up the subjects. Let's circle back to Midjourney and instruct it to produce a meticulous image of an expectant lady donned in a lavish, floor-length white gown against a pristine white backdrop, captured with a top-tier DSL. In an editorial photographic manner, employing a telephoto lens complemented by cinematic illumination. Ensure you specify ultra-wide shot for version 5 and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Time to generate. Would you just gaze at that marvel? It's astoundingly lifelike. The realism is impeccable across the board, save for the initial image, where the leg appears somewhat off-kilter. The third rendition seems spot on, so let's proceed with that. I'll select U3 to procure the visual. Having crafted our subject, the subsequent phase involves superimposing this figure onto our backdrop. A swift and straightforward method is to employ Canva. Initiate by uploading the subject's image and layering it atop the backdrop. Post alignment, tap on Edit Photo. Canva boasts a nifty background remover feature, enabling effortless background elimination at the click of a button. Voila! Now, fine-tune the subject's placement to ensure it seamlessly integrates with the backdrop. To harmonize the hues with the backdrop, revisit Edit Photo. Canva's Auto Adjust tool intuitively tweaks color and luminosity to resonate with the backdrop. Impressive, isn't it? For those seeking granular control, manual adjustments like contrast, brightness, and highlights are at your disposal. The resultant visual is nothing short of spectacular. A pro tip: fiddle with the blending settings to ensure elements like the gown meld seamlessly with the floor. The final product is genuinely captivating. It's a visual treat. Once you've achieved satisfaction with your visual, it's time to incorporate text centrally for your listing. Suppose you're offering a bundle of 10 backdrops. In that case, you can arrange the images in pairs, producing 5 dual image sets. To safeguard your intellectual property, consider embedding a watermark, deterring unauthorized use or replications of your visuals. Earlier in the video, I alluded to a strategy to bolster your average sales value. Here's the scoop. When vending digital backdrops of this nature, infuse a bespoke touch to your proposition. Offer clients the option to integrate their personal photographs into the backdrop they've acquired at a premium of, say, $30 to $40. Granted, this entails individualized editing for each commission, but remember, you're monetizing this service. Observe other vendors in this space. Some levy a base fee of $50 to merge a client's image with a backdrop, with rates escalating based on complexity. This underscores the existing appetite for such offerings, presenting a lucrative opportunity for you. From a photographer's perspective, inundated with editing tasks, this service is a godsend, expediting their workflow. Conversely, as a subject with a professionally captured image in hand, this proposition is equally enticing. I could acquire a backdrop for $15 and invest an additional $30 to $40 for the vendor to integrate my image. This is invariably more economical than commissioning a photographer for the entire process. It's a win-win. The icing on the cake? Introducing this service incurs zero overheads for you. Once your listing visuals are prepped and polished, it's crucial to fine-tune your SE listing for optimal visibility on the platform. I employ a tool named Adverb, which offers insights into competitor listings, revealing their earnings and the tags they deploy. Additionally, it provides data on the monthly search volume for each keyword. To incorporate these high-performing keywords into your listings, spanning titles, descriptions, and tags. However, the linchpin of this strategy's success hinges on your own design prowess. Appreciate your time.